Hello students, let's solve question number 7 of CEED 2023. This is a NIFT type question, meaning your answer must be in a numerical format. The question is, how many fonts have been used to write the letter Q in the image shown below? The differentiating factor for the font of the letter Q will be the tail of the Q and the stem of the Q. Keeping this in mind, let's start our counting and we'll increase our count by 1 only if we have not seen the current font before. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be 6, this will be 7, this will be 8, this will be 9, this one we have seen this here. So this one will be 10, this one will be 11, this one will be 12, this one we have seen this over here, this one we have seen this over here, so this one will be 13. Okay, so answer will be 13. Thank you.